this video we're just gonna look at taking out the transfer belt and a drum. So first, you open up the machine, there's 3 screws, so 1, 2 and 3. Get that out of the way. And there's 1 screw up here in the top left. After that, in order to take out the transfer belt, there's 5 more screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll just take out all of them. Now, once we have them out, at this point, we can pull out the process unit. Cut it. So at this point, when you've all 5 out, you can pull out our process unit. To do that, we just pull here. So we're going to take out our transfer section. So I've just taken a handle here on top and lifting out. So then we're going to take out our drum. So we've got 1 drum for each colour: yellow, magenta, cyan and black. In order to take out our drum, we're just going to put our hand under here, and same on this side, and then simply just lift out. We'll take our new drum out of its wrapper and put it in, and then we'll take our transfer belt and we'll put it in. So we're looking to put these 2 pins into their home, just here and here, and then just here at the front we've got 1 and 2 nipples that are just going to go back into their homes, just here at the front. From there then we're just going to push our transfer section back in and put all our screws back in.